Hi, Tracy Evans here. Join me on this episode of Exhibitry VISITS as we take a look at the Houston Museum of Natural Science in Houston, Texas. Static artifacts behind glass often feel like they're off limits, but these interactive display cabinets break down those barriers, offering visitors a hands-on experience. I like how they're built low to the ground. This makes them accessible to visitors of all ages and abilities. The integrated touchscreens clearly offer a more engaging experience than typical printed object labels. Visitors can delve as deep as they wish into the stories behind each object, from a quick glance to an in-depth study. This unique room of curiosities is a feast for the senses with its hundreds of interesting objects. Far from the typical hands-off museum experience, guests are encouraged to look and touch. The drawers and cabinets are filled with natural and man-made items. The atmosphere evokes the home of some obsessive collector. Each drawer is like a surprise package waiting to be opened, offering a glimpse into the stories and histories of the objects. And for extra curious patrons, the museum offers after-hours cocktail parties and seated dinners in this curious space. Thousands of computer-controlled LED lights help bring paleontology to life in this exhibit. The subtle use of color really enhances these basically monochromatic artifacts, making them more engaging for a general audience. But I hear that such subtlety is all but abandoned when they host private events in the room and set the lights to disco mode. In our next episode, we'll take you on a journey to the depths of the Earth, control an underwater robot, and witness a spectacular city projection that tells a million-year-long story in 3 minutes. The amazing Weiss Energy Hall really showcases the power of storytelling through technology. That's all coming up on Exhibitry Visits.